Okay, I want to touch base with you all after the first exam. I do this occasionally. I may not do this every exam, but kind of early in the semester, I kind of like to, maybe touch base with you face to face versus emails. But I kind of like to do both. But anyway, exam one, I think went very well. The class average was like 83, 84%, which is good. Many of y'all did well. Many of y'all did well. A couple of y'all, didn't do quite as well as I had hoped. So moving forward, try to dedicate yourself to more practice, maybe getting some extra help if possible. There is online tutoring available, so make sure you search that out if you can. If you can't go to a campus, one of your home campuses, then definitely look into that. But there's no substitute for practice. Okay. I always suggest to my students on campus that when you get ready for a test, you should do the review without your notes. Okay. Because the ultimate goal in this class has to be geared towards preparing yourself to pass the final exam. I know that sounds crazy. There's many goals. I mean, you do want to learn each topic as well as possible, but in an online class with a proctored final that you have to pass, you've got to gear yourself towards that mindset of preparing yourself for that. So when you do your test, I personally would not use anything more than what I allow you to use on the final. Because if you're looking back at your notes, if you're getting help during your test, you're not going to have a lot of that available on the final. And it doesn't matter what you make on your other test if you don't pass the final. So, take that for what it's worth. You do what you want to do, but that's just my advice. And I've been doing this for a long time. Okay, as you can tell, long time. All right. So anyway, as you move forward, the next bunch of topics is all about graphing. It's uncomfortable for a lot of people. Okay. Graphing, as far as looking at the graphs to get information, not graphing so much as plotting points, but really understanding different parts of graphs. A couple things to keep in mind that might help you. You're going to be giving answers to many of your, questions using X's and Y's. So you have to determine, and I mean, this sounds, so intuitive, but it's not. What's X and what's Y? Or what are they asking for? Are they asking for X? Are they asking for Y? So make sure you watch my lecture videos. I try to kind of stress that on my lecture videos that are in the, video section, and also some helpful hints. Also, when giving answers to intervals, like thing where graphs are increasing, decreasing. Okay, you have to use all X values for that. Okay, it has to be X is this to X is that. Where people mess up with that is they'll give me a point or they'll give me Y values. Give me X's. Okay, you got to give X's for intervals. That's just the way it works. Okay, because we're talking about left to right. When you're looking at a graph left to right, it's got to be X numbers. Okay, so try to get that ingrained into you right now. So that'll help you as we move forward, because I do see that as an issue when I do review exams. Most of the misses are intervals, increasing, decreasing, maximum, minimums. Okay, maximum, highest, minimum, lowest. It occurs at an X, so it may occur at X is 1, but the Y value is actually the minimum or the maximum. Okay, so try to put all that together, but please watch my videos. Because I want to see you all do well on this test. And there's, not many topics on it. So that sometimes can be good and that sometimes can be bad. Okay. So anyway, keep doing what you're doing if you're being successful. If you're not being successful, then you've got to change what you're doing because it's not working. So, always remember there's the help in each question. Show me how to do this. View an example. Ask my instructor. Okay, I try to do the best I can to assist you. Sometimes it is difficult over email, but I'll do the best I can. You can also always come to my office if you are local. Okay, during my office hours. So anyway, so have a good rest of the week, and keep doing what you're doing. You're working hard, and hopefully next time we'll be just as good as we were this time. Take care. Bye.